How I wonder. Friends, have you ever wondered how a honeycomb is built by bees? Let's find out. Bees fly to flowers and drink sweet juice called nectar with their long tongues. They carry it back to their hive in their bellies, like little backpacks. When the bees eat lots of honey, their bodies make wax. The wax comes out as tiny flakes, almost like magic dust. The bees chew the wax to make it soft, like Play-Doh. Then they use it to build a honeycomb. The honeycomb is made of tiny hexagons that fit together perfectly. It's like a bee's puzzle. The bees use a honeycomb for 3 important jobs: store nectar that turns into yummy honey, keep pollen to feed baby bees, hold eggs so new bees can grow. Once a honeycomb cell is full of honey, the bees seal it with more wax, like putting a lid on a jar. This keeps the honey safe and fresh. Bees are amazing builders and super smart. They work together to make their hive a cozy, organized home. For more videos, please subscribe.